Hey guys, it's Kevin. Does your HP printer have this problem? When you start, it has this amber light on, and if you go to HP application, HP HP Smart, it says tray empty or open. So no matter what you do, restart your printer, it just come back again and again. You get this amber light. My guess is you're missing a tray leg or it's broken. So take a look of your tray leg. If your tray leg is broken, you can go to BCH Technologies.com and you can just search for a leg. And we have all different legs. Today we're going to talk about this for 6000 series, for NV 6000. When you flip your printer over, you're going to see two tray legs. Actually, only this one matters. So if the other one is broken, don't fix that one. Fix this one. It should be called the left leg because when you see the printer upright. However, because we flip over, let's say it's the right leg, just for convenience. Okay. We're going to put a replacement for this broken leg and make sure it works with all the sensors inside. You'll need a sharp knife or sandpaper or something. I'm taking the tray out to show you, but you don't have to. You can just leave the tray inside to do this. So you can use a knife to cut the rest of the leg, cut it to the stem, and make sure it flush. Now take the replacement leg. You're going to see a big cross, and that cross is going to match up with the cross on the base. And here is from another angle. Okay, just make sure that it fits and push all the way down until the black part is even with the white box. Now when you insert it all the way, you're going to see the amber light is gone. And now your problem is fixed. You can apply some glue to the leg and put it on and let it dry for a couple hours, and so it's more stabilized, or you can just leave like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.